So there we are, coming through to the beehive. Can you see some bees? I can see some. Wow, wow, wow. Excellent stuff. Wow. Hello. So I'm at the farm. We are setting up some beehives at the farm. Yeah, so you can see this is the outlook, the environment. So right now I'm going to check one of the hives that we set last week. I'm told that some bees are already in the hive. They've already colonized the hive, so pretty exciting. Let us check and see. So there we are, coming through to the beehive. Can you see some bees? I can see some. Wow. Excellent stuff. Wow. Let me draw you closer so you can take a look and see. Can you see them bees? African bees. They can be very angry and aggressive sometimes, so you just have to respect them in nature. But God is good. Bees in the beehive. Bees buzzing in the beehive. Okay. Let's go and check out some more hives, right? Just want to see if the hives have been colonized by the African bee. There is a hive. Let's see if we have any visitors in there. As you can see, it's straight ahead of us. Then there is another one that's over there as well. Let's see. Let's check them out. There's some bees. Yes, look at them. There are some bees, brothers and sisters. Can you see them? Wow. Amazing. So that's 2 beehives so far that we have seen that have been colonized. Amazing. Let's check out the other one. That's over there. Sweet honey is coming soon. Watch the space. Wow, I can see some bees as well over there. Interesting, eh? Can you see the bees? Wow. Amazing. African bees. Wow. Can you see them? Wow. Pretty awesome, eh? So guys, that's a wrap for today. We have seen some hives that have been colonized. We are going to come back sometime and check on the progress. Pretty exciting times, right? So catch you later.